Welcome students. Subtraction math quiz question. Question number 1. 19 minus 7 is equal to option A 11, option B 8, option C 12, option D 9. The correct answer is 12. Question number 2. 18 minus 5 is equal to option A 12, option B 14, option C 15, option D is 13. The correct answer is option D 13. Question number 3. 19 minus 4 is equal to option A 15, option B 16, option C is 18 and option D is 14. The correct answer is option A 15. Question number 4. 12 minus 6 is equal to option A 17, option B 19, option C 15, option D is 16. The correct answer is option D 16. Question number 5. 18 minus 13 is equal to option A 7, option B 6, option C 9, option D 5. The correct answer is option A 7. Thank you for watching.